So hey creators, so today I have Cyborg Brickheadz. I didn't flip it quick. It didn't. So it has 108 pieces and it says 41601 and if you look at the back you can see the other one. So let me just open it, the thumb piece. I always have to rip the back. So you have his instructions. I'll see you back after the time lapse. So welcome back, creators. I got Cyborg built. So this is his I don't know if I should call it the weapon or hand. I'm just gonna call it hand / weapon because it can't shoot at, and there's 8 extra pieces and you should be careful not to lose them or else you can't build him anymore. So you can take this off, and this is his back and his feet fell off. Right. Come on. Okay, and he doesn't have hair, only this black one. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So I forgot to give a shout out to one of my friends, Nikki. She's in Taekwondo, and she has a YouTube channel called Jedi Slime. She only has 4 subscribers. So please subscribe to her. Just type in Jedi Slime, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.